Listen, this brush and we are about to see if it's ride or die. Don't play. I finally got my hands on these makeup brushes from New Techniques. I've been obsessed with these makeup brushes ever since I started watching Omabel TV. Like, she would always use these New Techniques makeup brushes to apply her makeup, and the beads would turn out so stunning, so beautiful. But these makeup brushes weren't anywhere available in Mali. But guess what? It just became available in Mali. And you know me, I have to get it sharp, because I really want to know if my beat is going to turn out as flawless as Omabel's, or if it's just playing, if it's just camouflage. So yeah, so today I'm going to be testing out these makeup brushes. This is a 5-piece set. Yeah, I've got the big blush, that is this one. I feel that this one is so big you can actually use it as an overall face brush. That's what I even plan to do with it. I plan to use it for my blush and also for my overall face powder, you know. And then there is this one. This is the cheek blush, the cheek brush. Oh my goodness, what am I saying? This is so fluffy. Like, this is so fluffy. I love this makeup brush. It's so good, and it's so round, it's so angled that you can use this for contour, for blush, for whatever you want to use it. Nose contour. Like, this is a multifunctional makeup brush. Hey guys, let me quickly apologize. When I was filming this video, I totally did not realize that my mic wasn't on, so I have to start doing double work of putting voiceover in all this video, and I recorded a batch of this that the mic was just turned up. So please take me as you see me. Yeah. Please take me as you see me. This content creation something is not easy at all. Even though you might not be hearing what I'm saying, from my expressions and everything, you'll be seeing what I'm doing and how I'm showing it, because this makeup brushes, this one in particular, is so flawless. Can you see the way it's blending my foundation? So yes, so I'm going to stop talking right now because I'm also a bit under the weather, and I didn't plan voiceover for these videos, but this kind of thing just happened. So yeah, I'm going to shut up right now and let you watch this video. Okay. guys, I know I promised to shut up, but you guys need to hear this. You know, I only use 3 makeup brushes to achieve this whole bit. I hope you were keeping tag. Like, I only use the foundation brush and then the concealer brush and this big puffy brush that I use for my cheeks and my whole face powder. So in total, I use only 3 makeup brushes to achieve this whole bit. Like, my god, OMG, these brushes are so lovely. Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Honestly guys, this beat turned out amazing, and these Real Techniques makeup brushes, OMG, these are must-haves. Like, you need this, trust me, you need this. And these have become so affordable compared to when it came out. Like, you really need these brushes are everything. I love them. I love them so very much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please do not forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment sections, and please share this video with somebody that might actually find it very helpful. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you all in my next one. Bye stars.